guys, so today I've decided to do a full teardown of the mouse that I did in the last video. Okay, so far what I've done is I have taken, my finger's covering up the camera. I have taken off the screws and I just take off the mouse wheel. Now, since we aren't going to use this again because it's a teardown, I'm going to take off the clickers. Since we're not going to use this again, I'll have to be delicate, but I don't have to be the most very delicate. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to pull out. Yep, so I got these off, and there are these little copper or silver, I don't know which one, but they are these little springs. If I push down and push out, they'll come out easy. So I'm hoping actually to be able to salvage some of these parts. Maybe I'll make a parts box. Okay, but yeah, these are what they look like right now, the mouse buttons. They've got hooks. They've got hooks for the springs, and these springs, I'll show them to you real quick. They are these springs, and they have an arc at them. It's weird. Okay, now here's the light. So what now? Think I see a little screw right there. So right now going to see if with my little screwdriver I can undo that little screw at the bottom there with maybe the tip of it. No, I cannot. So, new plan. I'm going to take this screwdriver that I used in the last video. That can go with dozens, and I mean dozens of different heads. These aren't even all of the heads that I'm holding right now. I got at least 3 of these sets like this. Anyway, so with the edge, I'm going to use the tip of the screwdriver. I am going to try and take it off. See how I do. And man, this is seeming impossible. It's way too small. Well, basically all we need to know is that this holds it in for the battery thing. So what I think I'm going to do is try and take off the circuit board. As you can see, it already wiggles a little bit. But so I think it's held down with some sort of glue or plastic. So if I just wedge my finger in there to hold it on. Yeah, it looks to be a plastic. Yeah, it's plastic holding it down, which makes sense. But we don't want plastic, so we're going to take the utility knife, see if we can cut through the plastic. Yeah, okay. Just as I thought. Probably if we want to be able to salvage the circuit board, we don't want like stuff like this to happen. So actually what I think I'm going to do right now is cut the wires connecting this where the battery is. So I'm going to cut the positive wire and the negative wire. So as you see, none of them are connected. And I left these because if we manage to get the circuit board off, no problem, then this could still work. And I think that'd be, personally, I think that'd be awesome. So I'm just gonna see if I can maybe pry up with my fingers. Nope, doesn't look like it. Take a utility knife, maybe just pry up from the bottom. Hold down with my hand and nope. It's being pesky. But stuff like this, sometimes it's good to be pesky, because if you're not, like, annoying in the sense that you need things to be all good, like, and held down, then your product's gonna break. And no one wants their product, expensive or not, to break. And I'm sure all you guys agree. So I want to get to the back here, and I've been prying at it and prying at it, but it doesn't seem to like it. Like, and by like it, I mean, it doesn't seem to want to come off. There are supports at the bottom right here. And what I think I want to do is cut those supports. Because if I cut them, and by cut them I mean like just get them off, then I will be able to take more of this off. So I will be right back and cut these, the little supports. Okay, see you in a second. So some of the supports I was talking about, I got most of them out, and the one I thought was bothering me, something seemed weird about it, until when I finally got it out, it was the on switch. So that was grounding it all in. So if I just try and pry it open, my fingers here, you could see how far I am right now. Go from the sides. And there is, like, if I open this up, there's plastic that's more adhesive to the bottom than anything. So, oh, I'm starting to crack it up. And is that it? I'm trying just to go through with the knife more or less. And just, oh yeah guys, I got out the on and off switch. As you could see, it has the green light and the red light. So now I have this plastic on the way. It's either plastic or glass. Can't tell because it's underneath right here. But it is also connected to plastic, which I am just not a fan of. So I'm really, oh, okay, okay. So, okay, the plastic magnifier is the magnifier is connected to plastic. The plastic is connected to the light right here. The light is connected to the circuit board. So if we want to get this off, we gotta get off the light. God dang it. Or we just take it all off. I mean, that seems like it'll work. If we just pry off some of this plastic, because I see it looks like it's a separate plastic piece in itself. So if yeah guys, I got the utility knife under the plastic piece I was talking about, and if I just start to get it open and off, I'll use this sharp edge to dig in right now. And in and ran into a screw plate. Ow. I don't know how good you guys can see this, but it's starting to hurt my hands. I wonder if I took some of these, could I use it to hold it up? I believe I most certainly can. So if I just won't have to use my fingers just to hold it up. Huh. Hold on, guys. God dang it. Okay. Now I'm going to use this to dig in. And yeah, it seems with this, I can pry it up. And guys, I found the main bulk screw that was holding it all down. And wow. We got it off. Quite frankly, I'm surprised. And right here, if you look, you see bottom, top. That's everything right there, ladies and gentlemen. We successfully have salvaged this. Now, I think I want to go under here because it looks like there is something under there. And there's even screws for it, so I don't have to break everything forcibly. So I'll take these, and hopefully these are the same little screws as before. And yeah, the edge of this isn't pointy enough to undo it. Wonder if I took a flathead screwdriver instead and had it like going straight down. Yeah. So this isn't gonna work with screwdrivers. You might just wanna yeah. Back to the utility knife. Or maybe I take this. And this one is too big. So I'll take a smaller one. This size. Take it. And with something like this, I just need a there's a spring. That's what I was looking at. Even this is too big, guys. So, right here, I'll take it and no. Okay, so the utility knife has been working best so far. I wonder if I take these tweezers or pliers or whatever they're called and just use it to pry upwards. Yeah, we need something small to undo the screws, and sadly enough, I don't believe I have any small screws. Maybe if I take a small flathead for my magnetic screwdriver. Hold on, guys. This might work. No. Man, that sucks. Smallest that I have, it won't even be enough. So, we know it's a spring. That's probably the most we'll get out of that. What I am excited for is this. Okay, now, I think that's all for today. We got the circuit board out, and that I am very excited. Maybe we could do some stuff with that. Anyways, guys, that's me with Build, Think, Create. Bye.